apple juice, salt, pepper, some onions, marinate it a little bit, and then throw them out there on that grill. I got some apple wood out there on the grill. I like to smoke my meat on. Then
This one here?
well, I got some stuff. It's just an orange chicken dinner. It's just
Homemade orange sauce?
Yeah, it's homemade. It's barbecue orange sauce, actually. Yeah, just, threw something together for our little dinner day. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Here's your drink.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Lovely
so
to
much.
have you today.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for having us.
I'm marinating my onions in my honey barbecue sauce. See that? Yeah. I'm marinating it. I'm cooking ribs today. Barbecue ribs I'm cooking. Peas and carrots. I added bacon. Something like succotash. Okay? Mashed potatoes. My wife don't like peas, so I got her some candy carrots. Yummy.
Lay my chicken on top.
I'm having a salad. I'm having a tuna tartare as the appetizer. They're gonna be in here. Fresh salsa. I got the filet mignon with the shrimp, with asparagus.